Isang may sakit na tagahanga ni Manny Pacquiao ang bumiyahe ng mahigit isang araw para lang masilayan ang kanyang iniidolo. Nagpaunak naman si Pacman na ipagdasal ang kanyang fan. At mula sa Los Angeles, California, may live report. Exclusive si Mark Zambrano. Mark?
Igan, natupad nga ang pangarap ng isang cancer patient na tagahanga ni pambansang kamo Manny Pacquiao nang makausap niya ng personal ang 8-weight division world champion. Taong 2007 nang ma-diagnose na may liver cancer ang 40 anyos na si Jody Albright. Masugid ni tagahanga ni pambansang kamo Manny Pacquiao si Jody at asawang si Nora. Katunayan, mahigit 30 oras bumiyahe mula Tennessee ang mag-asawa patungong Los Angeles, California para lang masilayan si Pacquiao. Balot ng sari-saring hand-painted na Pacman designs ang kotse ni Jody. Ang pangarap ni Jody, makausap ng personal si Pacman. Pangarap na tinupad ng pambansang kamo. Ayon kay Jody, naging inspirasyon si Pacman sa kanyang patuloy na laban sa cancer. Lalong nadagdagan daw ang paghanga ni Jody kay Manny ngayong nakausap na niya.
Only God can heal our sickness.
Yes, I believe that.
He is the creator of everything.
I believe that. That's why I'm here.
He is the giver of life, and He can restore our life.
True. Philippians 4:13. I believe that.
Everything I thought it would be, and even more. I mean, I expected just what I got. A humble man, a man I could see in his eyes to his soul that he cared about people. You know, he cared about me. He doesn't know me, but he cared about me. I can tell that.
He's always wanted to see him, and as sick as he's been, and it was just, I don't know, it's, I don't know.
You're speechless.
Yeah.
Igan, sa ngayon ay nagpapatuloy pa rin ang training ng ating pambansang kamo dito sa loob ng Wildcard Gym at magpapatuloy ang kanyang training dito sa Los Angeles, California hanggang sa Lunes. Yan muna ang latest mula dito sa Los Angeles, California. Balik sa iyo, Igan.
Maraming salamat, Mark Zambrano.